Thin cases for your Galaxy Z Fold 7. So we have just checked out the carbon shield case that Samsung have. This is an official case, comes with the screen protector, a whole video on that. I'm keeping this on because Spigen have an option that might be for you. It's also their thin fit one. The whole idea is that this competes, right, with this. And if you want a case on your very thin Z Fold, which I think most people want a thin case, this is a good option for you. Being thin fit, I think the selling point here is that it's ultra thin. It's not carbon fiber. Pretty certain this is carbon fiber. They call it the carbon shield case, but pretty sure it's carbon fiber. This also comes with a screen protector. And it comes with a cover for the front, which I really like and appreciate. We haven't had one from Samsung, official one, that we've unboxed with it. Everything is, oh my word, everything so far has been without a case. Now I'm very excited about this case. This has magnets in it, so you can use this with any of your Qi 2, and it's tough. It's a good one. So they've got little stickers on the inside, which is something I had a problem with here. Can you see? Every time you open it up here with the carbon shield case, it just pops open. I don't like that. But if you open it up like this, obviously not an issue. But it is thinner, actually remarkably thinner than the Spigen one. Samsung's one is by far the thinnest. But it doesn't have a magnet in it. And it doesn't have a front cover. I see there's a lens screen and wiping thing. I don't see in here, I don't see a screen protector. This is very deceiving. I guess this is so that you can put the stickers on here, some stickers. So these stickers obviously are for the sides of the device if you want to apply or reapply. I think these are spares because they seem to be pre-applied on the inside of this. So I wouldn't use this just yet. I'd keep your box if you bought this one. And in fact, I'm actually going to just stick it on now and see what it's like. Those stickers solve this issue potentially, where you open it up and there we go, and it bends like that. So let's put this aside. It's going to be a little bit thicker. There is no screen protector with the Spigen. With the shield, there is. So we've got that, so the carbon shield. Let's just put this on correctly. So just these little tabs you would remove. This would be if you want to clean the edges of your phone. Oh, yeah, it's definitely not as thin. It's quite thick, actually, in comparison to the... What is happening? It's really hard to put on. Okay, so let's do this more consciously. There we go. Samsung ones go on a little bit easier. There we go. It is really nice, I must say. And having this is a huge plus. I remember the older folds also had stickers for their covers. So nice. Okay. Oh, put that aside. There we go. That is so cool. So, okay. I understand why Samsung does not have a cover for this as well. Like, it feels... It feels like this is less usable. They've got a rim here at the bottom that's kind of like can you see? It's like a different texture. It's like a runoff for gesture swiping and stuff. But it is thick, right? It's to protect it from landing like that, which is very cool. But it makes the front less usable. And obviously now the phone is a lot thicker. Where's mine? You've got a case on my S25 Ultra. It's not nearly exact. Well, I mean, still impressive, right? It's a foldable device. So there's that. And it opens up very easily with this case. And again, with those stickers, we don't have this bending problem, which is very nice. This is a very cool detail. I like this. Over the fingerprint sensor here. So it's easy to unlock it. I do say, and I've said this in a previous video, make sure that when you do get a new case for a phone like this, where there's a fingerprint sensor, that you re-add your fingerprints, because you're going to be interacting with it slightly differently. Because there's a bump. All the holes are in the correct places. Oh, there we go. This front part is, oh, there we go, coming off. There we go. Make sure the stickers are stuck down. There we go. Yeah, so all the holes are in the correct places. Double check that as well when you are applying this. And there is a much better protrusion on, this is about 1 millimeter now, over the cameras, unlike the other one. It does mean that that's the case. But I think the big selling point here for me is this, the fact that, oh, there we go. So you can use the back to charge device, any kind of MagSafe-esque devices on the back, like this newer thing. And again, this is great for if you're reading, if you're a pastor or something, and you want to mount this to so it's like a tripod or something, so you can read to your congregation or whatever, or you're a musician or whatever. It's a cool way to make the phone more usable. I like this case. I'm getting used to it. It does make the phone feel a little bit bigger, but it now feels like a regular phone with a case on it, as opposed to the Samsung ones, which I feel a little bit like sleeker. But having this magnet on the back, having protection on the front screen, I think is very cool. You would have to buy another screen protector because it doesn't come with a screen protector. Yeah. And also the way it covers the case, I don't think it really matters what color it is. Whereas I feel when you've got a case like the Carbon Shield that's only on the back, it looks much better if your phone is black on black, right? Instead of like blue, because you'll have all the blue coming through. And this covers up a lot of the blue except for the hinge. Looks nice. Go check out that video if you are tossing up between the two. And if you want to help this channel somehow, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. It really does help. And I've got all these listed as affiliate links in the description if this is for you. This is much better than that Carbon Shield. I wouldn't personally buy the Carbon Shield one, but I would definitely invest in something like this, especially for a phone at this price range. I'll see you guys in another video. Cheers.